Taken away by Briere. Briere, the pass up ahead to Hairston over the line, clears it across the shot, they score! Jason Pominville pounds it home. It's tied at 1.
Oh, was that beautiful? Jason Pominville rips a one-timer by goaltender Cam Ward. Buffalo explodes on the rush, moving the puck out of the zone. And Jochen has a perfect backhand pass, and Pominville, playing the off wing, of course, has that great angle to shoot at, and he rips it by the goaltender. Buffalo comes back to tie it at 1 with 10:46 remaining in this opening period. Absolute perfection on the breakout, and then the finishing touch by Pominville.
Hutchinson got there just in time. Now it's cleared across ice. Here's Kalinin in over the line. He shoots one. Score! Dmitry Kalinin, short side, short-handed. 2-2.
What a great play by Dmitry Kalinin. We talk about it, sometimes Buffalo playing a high-risk game, but they do it in an intelligent way. Up along the boards between the benches, I think it was Gostad who came up with the puck. Kalinin saw the opportunity, jumped ahead in across the line, and beat the goaltender. What a shot that was. I think that puck went off the crossbar. As the defenseman went down an instant too soon, Kalinin read it and fired the...
And it jumped away from him. Vanek tracking after it. Pauline knocks it free in the corner. Vanek got it back to Roy. Put it out in front. Campbell, the score! Maxim Beriganov finishes it off. 3-2 Buffalo.
Now Buffalo turned up the Jets against Philadelphia in the second period, and they're turning up the Jets here in the second. Great vision by Derek Royce. He spotted Brian Campbell in front of the net, and Campbell fed the puck to a Afinogenov, and I think Max was trying to center the puck across. It hit the goaltender in the left.
Bring it back to Newman and to Roy. Lots of time. Down low in front. The shot. They score! Sitting in the slot, rips it home on the power play. Buffalo gets the lead back again.
Tic-tac-toe. And a one-timer by Thomas Vanek, but it began off a shoot-in. It was Teppo Numminen who shot puck in, and it hit one of the struts. And Buffalo quickly, Derek Roy gained possession of the puck, and then Buffalo set it up. This beautiful passing. Roy to Afinogenov, and then into the slot to Thomas Vanek and by the goaltender.
Second time tonight, Buffalo's had the lead.
Between the legs of Cam Ward, and Buffalo has the lead.
Made the play, and the pass is cleared across ice for Afinogenov. Let it go to Roy. Roy back for Afinogenov. Afinogenov turning. In front, the shot right on. Vanek looking for another one. Spacek a plus. Jarl Spacek celebrating back at center ice as he cuts it home, and Buffalo has taken the largest lead of the night, 5-3.
Cam Ward made an enormous save on Thomas Vanek, but Buffalo gets the puck back to Spacek at the point, and he beats the goaltender. Vanek is stopped. He turns, throws it to Spacek, and his shot, I believe, was deflected in front of the Carolina net. Yes, it was. It went off Tim Gleason and caromed into the back of the net, and Buffalo has a 2-goal lead.